In this short video, I'm going to tell you more about acrylic sheet. In this case, the clear version in 3mm thickness. These sheets are a favourite with our customers, and I'm going to explain why. Acrylic sheet is widely used as an alternative to standard glass because it's just as clear, but 30 times as strong, and acrylic weighs only half as much as glass, and it's usually cheaper. Another advantage is that acrylic is very low maintenance. Using an anti-static cleaner, such as burnous occasionally, will help prevent dirt from sticking to it, and the acrylic will stay looking as good as new. These thin sheets are ideal for projects such as secondary glazing, garden shed windows, windscreens for a rabbit cage, and many other small applications. But remember, the larger the surface area, the thicker the sheet. Now this 3mm sheet is quite thin, so if you're looking for acrylic for larger surfaces where strength is essential, such as aquariums or large windows, then you'll need a slightly thicker sheet. If you're not sure about the sheet thickness you need, take a look at our online thickness calculator before ordering. Do you want to process the acrylic? Then this cast version's the best choice. Cast acrylic is slightly more expensive, but because there's less tension in the sheet, it's easier to process than the budget extruded version. You can order acrylic sheet in many different colours and finishes, including matte, fluorescent, opal, coloured and mirrored. Lots of choice. Do you need acrylic sheets for your next project? Order your sheet in our webshop and we'll cut it to size for you in any shape you require. To find out more about acrylic sheets, please view our blogs about this material. You'll find the links in the description below this video. If you'd like more DIY tips, ideas and inspiration, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to plasticsheetshop.co.uk/blog.